I want to talk to you about ShopHunter. And if you have a dropshipping business, or let's just say an e-commerce business in general, ShopHunter can really help you big time. But in today's conversation, I want to really share with you a few providers that are actually alternatives to ShopHunter. Okay, the first one is Dropship.io. So if basically if you have a dropshipping business, Dropship.io can really help you big time, especially when it comes to product research. Okay, think about Dropship.io as a product research tool that can really give you insight into your niche, into trends in your industry. Okay, what I love about Dropship.io is that you are able to spy on Shopify stores and Facebook ads. Okay, so those two categories you can use Dropship.io to really know what's really happening here. So compared to ShopHunter, basically Dropship.io appears to have more advanced features for a lower price. So that's pretty good. I mean, you're paying less, but you're getting more features. Okay. And I love the fact that Dropship.io is also more transparent in terms of pricing. So you know exactly how much they're charging you and also what they're charging you for. Okay. On top of that, you have a free trial that's actually valid for 7 days. So you have 7 days to actually check out the tool if you like it or not. And you also have a free access. So you have a free trial, but the free access is actually valid for 7 to 14 days. Beyond that, you have to start paying for stuff. So there is no such a thing as a free plan. So with Dropship.io, there's no free plan. But in terms of pricing, you're looking at $29 all the way to $34 to $35. So that's pretty good. So overall, basically you have a product database, sales tracker, competitor research, top stores and products. You have portfolio. So basically, Dropship.io will do the research for you. You have a Chrome extension. And finally, you have what they call an ad spot. So you can search for Facebook ads using keywords and advanced filters. And you can check out the ads engagement, status, content, and more. So that's really fantastic. So if you want to diversify away from ShopHunter, I want you to think about PP Spy. So PP Spy is actually a great option if you are, let's say, in the POD niche, so print on demand. And also if you have a one product store, okay, and if you are a one product store seller, PP Spy can really help you big time. And what I love about PP Spy is that they're constantly adding new functionalities to their software. Okay, so this is a Shopify Spy tool, PP Spy. Okay, so the main feature on PP Spy is that you are able to search for winning products using advanced filters. So once you have found a store, you can use the store research tool to analyze it. You can analyze the store in breadth, but also in depth, as broadly and deeply as possible. Okay. So this is really good. And you do have a free trial with PP Spy. There is no free plan, only a free trial, and the free trial will last for a maximum 2 weeks. And the starting price actually is $19. So that's way cheaper than Dropship.io. $19 all the way to $25. So if you think about PP Spy, think about a tool that's great, regardless of the dropshipping niche that you're in. And it does have some niche tools that are not available with the other product research tools. This includes one product store search, print on demand store search. So that's really good. That's what I said a little earlier, that print on demand is actually big when it comes to PP Spy. And you have advanced site traffic tools, and you also have product review importer. So that's kind of cool. And so features that you will love with PP Spy, you have sales tracking. So for instance, you can enter a URL and track stores over time to monitor their performance. That's kind of cool. You have a product research, so you can search for products using filters like keywords, category, selling type, and more. You also have a store research. You can take a deep dive into each store. You can find out how many sales the store makes. You can create you can have a whole report about their creation dates, their best sellers, and much more. You have traffic research, so you can look at the store traffic sources and how much traffic the store generates. You have one product stores, okay, and you also have similar to Dropship.io. You do have a Chrome extension, so you can spy on Shopify stores as you visit them. So that's pretty good. Next, you have a UU Spy. So if you're looking for Shopify spy tools, think about UU Spy, and this tool is great if you are looking for a free option. So if you are a beginner and you're looking for a free option, think about UU Spy. And what I love about UU Spy is that this is basically a free Chrome extension that lets you spy on Shopify stores. Now, how deeply you can spy, it really depends on the niche you're in. Okay, so UU Spy is primarily a Chrome extension, so it works well when you visit Shopify stores. You can see the store's live sales, top selling products, and other store information like name and theme. So that tells you a lot about a lot about the store you are visiting. Okay, so in contrast, ShopHunter is a drop shipping platform. You can use the platform to search for products and stores. It also offers lists of top stores and products. Okay, so there is no free trial when it comes to UU Spy. This is a free tool. Okay, it is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. There are no paid plans. So, but the tool is great for beginners. I mean, if you are an advanced dropshipper, it's just better to pay for stuff. Okay, so if you are an advanced seller, you might need a more advanced tool. And so, one thing I want to say also is that basically, if you were to compare and contrast Shop Hunter to UU Spy, you will say that Shop Hunter allows you to search for products and provides a list of top performing stores and products. You can't search for products on UU Spy, and the tool doesn't provide any product or store suggestions. So think of UU Spy as primarily a Chrome extension. Okay, all you have to do is just install the Chrome extension and start spying on Shopify stores as you visit them. So that's pretty straightforward. Nothing really complicated. You don't have to download any plugin, whatever. No, when you visit a store, you can see the sales, okay, and you can see also their top selling products. If you're looking for a Shop Hunter alternative this year, think about Koala Inspector. And this is actually the best free Shopify extension. So if you are in the market for a Shopify extension, think about Koala Inspector, okay? This is a free Chrome extension too. And you can access actually the main features without a paid plan. So that's pretty good. But you also have two paid plans available. And those paid plans give you more credits to access the features. They also allow you to track stores. So tracking stores allows you to save stores you want to monitor. You will be sent notifications when your tracked stores make any changes. So in terms of competitive intelligence, this can be better than that. Okay, and so as Koala Inspector is a Chrome extension, if you think about it, it's a very different tool from Shop Hunter, right? So Koala Inspector requires you to locate the store you want to spy on. In contrast, Shop Hunter provides a list of top performing products and stores and lets you search for them using keywords and filters. So on Koala Inspector, you have a free trial for 3 days, and then afterwards you have to pay for stuff. Okay, there is no free access, but a free plan is available, and they're charging you about $7 to $10 per month. Okay, so this tool is actually great for, I would say, rookies, so newer sellers. Okay, because it is, when you think about it, it's actually free to get started, but it will also work for those who want to grow because you can spy on ads, traffic, you can find the retailers and more. You have a lot that you can really do. And so in terms of top features here, you have structure. So you can find the theme and apps that a store uses. You have products. You can see a store's product stats, new launches, and bestsellers. You have also live trends. That's pretty good. You can look at which products are trending in the store and how the sales compare to last month. You can find retailers. So if you want to sell the products, Koala Inspector can find a supplier from which to source it. You can also use it. You can use this tool to search for your competition. You also have a shop traffic. So basically, you can find out how much traffic a store is generating, its traffic sources, and more. For ad campaigns, you can discover the Google, Facebook, and Instagram ads a store is running. And you also have a store tracker, so you can track stores, monitor their performance, and be notified every time they make changes. Next, you have a sell the trend. So if you're looking for a ShopHunter alternative to find winning products for dropshipping, sell the trend actually is a pretty good candidate, especially when it comes to all-in-one options. So if you're looking for all-in-one options, think about sell the trend, okay? And so because sell the trend is primarily an all-in-one dropshipping platform, and this tool actually offers product research tools, including trending products. So that's pretty good. So yeah, trending products, you can really make a change. You have also Amazon product recommendations, Shopify trending products, and more. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. So as well as product research tools, Sell the Trend has many other dropshipping tools. So this is an all-in-one platform. Okay. So when you think about it, this all-in-one feature sets it apart from ShopHunter because Sell the Trend's automation features, supplier finder, and product importer mean that it will work for you if you are a dropshipper, if you are a beginner, if you are a rookie, if you are an experienced, if you are somewhere in between. Okay, so at any stage of your journey, you can use Sell the Trend. There is a free trial for 7 days, and after that, you have to pay for stuff. So there is no free access, and the starting price is a little higher. Not a little, it's a higher because they start you at $40 and they will go all the way to $50 per month. So if you are a seller who's looking for a platform to take you through your whole journey, as opposed to only a product research, think about Sell the Trend. Okay, here when I speak about the whole journey, I'm speaking about order fulfillment, push to store, supplier directory, and more. In terms of features here, you have a product research, you have suppliers, you have a store automation, but you also have marketing. That's something that you love. Marketing is a great component within this tool, actually. Another ShopHunter alternative to really think about this year, you have AliExpress Dropshipping Center, so the DS Center. So this platform is actually great for product and supplier research. I mean, this is AliExpress. Okay, so AliExpress DS Center is a free tool available to anyone with an AliExpress account. So you got to have an AliExpress account to actually use the DS feature. So basically, when you think about AliExpress, this is the most common marketplace to source dropshipping products. But the thing is, on AliExpress, you have the quantity issue, right? You have millions of suppliers all selling similar products. So the DS Center makes it very easy to compare suppliers to find the best one for you. Okay. So in addition to finding a supplier, the DS Center can help you find a product to sell based on sales, delivery, and product reviews. So if you think about AliExpress Dropshipping Center, you have a platform that's very different from ShopHunter. So instead of analyzing Shopify stores, it analyzes AliExpress sellers. So this is a free tool, okay, completely free. So you have free access. There are no paid plans. So if you are a seller who wants to compare and find a supplier, use the DS tool. And AliExpress can really help you identify winning products as well as help you find a supplier. Okay. So you have features such as find products to sell based on their sales rating and growth, okay, and more. You can also search for products by name and use the filters to identify actually products to dropship this year. You also have product analysis. So all you just need to you want to enter an AliExpress product URL, and AliExpress will find similar products from different sellers. You can compare the products, price, shipping, number of orders, logistics, and sales performance here. And you also have quotation requests for product sourcing. So that's really good. Okay. So if you can't find the product you want to sell on AliExpress, just sending a request and suppliers will contact you directly if they can fulfill your request. Next, you have a Ecom Hunt. So if you're looking for a ShopHunter alternative, think about Ecom Hunt. So you are able to you have features that help you quickly find winning products this year. So this is pretty good. And what I love about Ecom Hunt is that you have a curation happening every single day. Every single day, they're just doing a curation for you. So this is a product research tool that hand selects products it thinks will be winners. Okay, it is actually the most similar to ShopHunter that I have seen in this video. Both platforms offer a selection of products handpicked by experts, and you can scroll through those products to identify ones that will work for your store. Now, the main difference between the tools is that Ecom Hunt is actually an AliExpress spy tool, and ShopHunter is a Shopify spy tool. So you have a different sort of operational realm right then and there. So there is a free trial. There is also a free plan available with limited features. In terms of starting price, you start paying $29 to $35 per month when paid annually. So if you want product suggestions instead of searching for products, think about Ecom Hunts. Okay. So basically, you have features such as curated product lists, product information, but you also have a product tracker. So this can be really critical for you, if you will. Okay. So when I speak about curated product lists, for instance, you can access a list of frequently updated hand-picked products, and the products are selected by experts and are considered to be winners. When I speak about product information, all the products available on the list have a detailed analysis, so you can see the expected profits, engagement, Facebook ads, targeting, and much more. And you can also track AliExpress products over time to actually monitor their performance and work out if they are right for your specific store, because every store is different. Okay. So basically, overall, the extras here, you do have you do have to keep in mind that ShopHunter is not free. They do offer a free trial, but the free trial is only for 3 days. Okay. So if you're looking for the best free ShopHunter alternative, it depends on the features that you need. If you only want to see the apps, store, creation date, and theme, you can use Dropship's free Chrome extension, then upgrade to a paid plan, for instance. But overall, you just expect if you were to go with the ShopHunter, expect to pay somewhere from $25 all the way to $50 per month. So in conclusion to this conversation, when it comes to ShopHunter alternatives, you have Dropship.io, PP Spy, UU Spy, Koala Inspector, Sell the Train, AliExpress, DC, and Ecom Hunt. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.